Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Meriwether County in west central Georgia, Upson County in west central Georgia, northeastern Talbot County in west central Georgia, until 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:42 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over crest, or 8 miles west of Thomaston, moving southeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Hail damage severe to wind damage,
Fine.
Crest, Pleasant Hill, Logtown, Sunnyside, Hannah's Mill, and Big Laser Creek WMA. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.